Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMAS. ADMAS for IGCSE syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Student, in last lecture we did exercise 7.1 from chapter number 7 in your ADMAS book. Today we are going to start exercise 7.2 and the concept of this exercise is the gradient of a straight line. This concept is not new for you because you already did how to find how to find the gradient of a straight line you did in your math course. But as you know, my habit is to do each and every part and each and every question of each and every exercise from the chapter. So let's start question number 1 of exercise 7.2. Question number 1 is find the gradient of the line AB for each of the following pairs of points. Very easy. Part A. Part A is A1, 2, 3, minus 2. How to find the gradient of a straight line? The formula of the gradient is M represent for gradient, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Some teachers y1 is y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. So no difference, you would get the same answer if you use y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. What is x1? What is y1? What is x2? What is y2? This is x1. This is y1. This is x2. This is y2. So y2 is minus 2 minus y1 is 2 upon x2 is 3 and x1 is 1. Minus 2 is minus 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So the answer is minus 2. So part A answer is minus 2. Come to part B. Part B is A 4 B 50. This time I will not mention x1, y1, x2, y2 because you already understand the first point represent x1, y1 and the second point represent x2, y2. So y2 0 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus 3 upon 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer is minus 3. This is the answer of part B. The next part is part C. A minus 4 B 7 Gradient is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now x1 is already with negative sign, so x1 is minus 4, so it will be minus plus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 7 plus 4 is 11 and 0 upon something is always 0. So this is the answer of part C. Come to part D. Part D is A 1 minus 9, B 4 1. So gradient is 1 plus 9 upon 4 minus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 4 minus 1 is 3. 10 upon 3 can be write 3 whole 1 upon 3. This is the answer of part D. Come to part E. Minus 4 minus 3, 5 0. Gradient is y2 minus y1. y1 is already with negative sign, so it would be minus minus plus upon x2 minus x1. x1 is with negative sign, so it would be minus minus plus. 0 plus 3 is 3, 5 plus 4 is 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, so the answer is 1 upon 3. Come to part F. Part F is A 6 minus 7, B 2 minus 4. Gradient is y2 minus y1. y1 is minus sign, so it would be minus minus plus 7. 7 upon x2 minus x1. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So the final answer is minus 3 upon 4. 3 upon minus 4 or minus 3 upon 4 or minus 3 upon 4. All answers are same, no difference if you put minus sign with denominator or numerator. So this is question number 7.2. We did all parts. Come to question number 2. So this is question number 2. Write down the gradient of lines perpendicular to a line with gradient part A, B, C, D, E. Very easy question. But before I start question number 2, I just want to give you a small introduction. Perpendicular like this. Two lines are perpendicular if angle between two lines is 90 degree. So if this one is line L1, this one is line L2, and the gradient of line L1 is M1 and the gradient of line L2 is M2, therefore the concept of the gradient of perpendicular line is the product of the gradient of two perpendicular line is all the gradient of perpendicular line is always minus 1. So I hope you completely understand. So let's have a look part A. Part A is and put this M1 in equation number 1. So M1 is 3 multiplied by M2 is equals to minus 1. So M2 is equals to shift 3 on other side, it will be minus 1 upon 3. So this is the answer of the gradient of second line. No need to show all steps. The shortest way is C part B. M1 is minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, M2 should be, multiply this answer, this M1 value by minus sign, negative sign. So it would be minus minus plus, and reciproc them. Reciproc them means 1 upon 2 should be right 2 upon 1. So this will be M2 is 2. That's it. This is the answer. Come to part C. If M1 is 2 upon 5, so M2 should be minus 5 upon 2 according to formula of equation number 1. Come to part D. 1 whole 1 upon 4 is equals to M1. First write this is in terms of improper fraction. So 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 4. If M1 is 5 upon 4, then M2 should be minus 4 upon 5. Similarly, part E, M1 is equals to minus 2 whole 1 upon 2. 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 minus 5 upon 2. So if M1 is minus 5 upon 2, therefore M2 should be minus minus plus 2 upon 5. This is the answer. So hope you completely understand the concept of gradient. Okay, students. So we did all parts of question number 2. Come to question number 3. See question number 3. Very easy. Two vertices of a rectangle ABCD are A3 minus 5 and B6 minus 3. Find the gradient of CD. Find the gradient of BC. Very easy. First, draw a rough rectangle. Rough rectangle means not drawn to a scale, just like a rough rectangle. Let's suppose this is a rectangle, which is one point is 3 minus 5. Second point is B, 6 minus 3. Assign the name of this corner is C and this corner is D. Now, what is the question? Find the gradient of CD. Find the gradient of CD. In order to find the gradient of CD, first we have to find the gradient of AB. How to find the gradient of the line? Y2 minus minus plus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3. So 2 upon 3. Now, the requirement of the question is find the gradient of CD. Question mark. Student, very easy. In a rectangle, these two sides are parallel. AB and CD both are parallel. This is of parallel. So if two lines are parallel, same or equal. So if the gradient of line AB and if the gradient of line of CD is same, it means the lines are parallel, or you can say if the lines are parallel, then the gradient is equal. So gradient of CD should be the gradient of AB, which is we have already find 2 upon 3. Okay, no need to show these kind of steps. I am just telling it to you the concept of parallel lines. Now come to part B. Find the gradient of line BC. This is the line BC. Very easy. Gradient of BC. So if you can say the gradient of AB multiply the gradient of BC should be equal to -1. Why? Because these two lines are perpendicular. In a rectangle, all angles are 90 degree. So line AB and line BC both are perpendicular. So gradient of BC should be, gradient of AB is what? 2 upon 3. So gradient of BC is -3 upon 2. So -3 upon 2 is our final answer. Hope you completely understand. Come to question number 4. Question number 4 is A, point A is -1 -5, point B is 5 -2, point C is 1 1. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. What is trapezium? Two sides are parallel and two sides are non-parallel, and it has 4 vertices. AB is parallel to DC and angle BAD is 90 degree. So if I draw a rough rectangle like this, so if this one is A, this one is B, this one is C, and this one is D. According to question, angle BAD is 90 degree and AB is parallel to DC. Find the coordinates of D. Very easy. First we have to find the gradient of AB. This is A, -1 -5. This is B, 5 -2. This is C, 1 1. And D can be assigned xy. So first we have to find the gradient of AB. Gradient of AB is -2 - +5 upon x1 - +1. 5 - 2 is 3. 5 + 1 is 6. 3 2s are 6. 1 upon 2. So MAB, gradient of AB is 1 upon 2. Because line AB and line DC are parallel, therefore MAB is equals to MCD. MCD or DC you can say, no problem. So MAB we have already find 1 upon 2. MDC we have to find 1 minus y, y2 minus y1 upon 1 minus x. Make equation by cross multiply. So 1 multiplied by 1 minus x is equals to 2 multiplied by 1 minus y. 1 1s are 1 minus x, 2 minus 2y. Now shift minus x on other side, x minus 2y. 1 on other side, 2 minus 1 is 1. So x minus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. This is the equation number 1. Now come to second concept. Angle BAD is 90 degree. It means you can say line AB is perpendicular to line BD. This implies that if line AB is perpendicular to line BD, this implies that the gradient of AB multiply by the gradient of BD should be equals to minus 1, because if two lines are perpendicular, then their product of the gradient should be equals to minus 1. So gradient of AB we have already find 1 upon 2 multiply by gradient of BD. Now we have to find y2 minus y1, so y minus minus plus 5 upon x2 minus x1, x minus minus plus x1 is equals to minus 1. 1 into y, 1 into 5, 5, 2 into x, 2x, 2 ones are 2 is equals to minus 1. Now y plus 5 is equals to, shift 2x plus 2 on other side, it would be minus 2x minus 2. Now shift these two on this side, 2x plus y plus 5 plus 2 is equals to 0. 2x plus y, 5 plus 2 is 7 is equals to 0. So this is equation number 2. Now equation number 1 is x minus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0, and second equation is 2x plus y plus 7 is equals to 0. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now solve these two equations simultaneously by applying the method of elimination or the method of substitution. If I apply the method of elimination, then I should multiply sorry for interruption. Now solve these two equations simultaneously, and I am applying the method of elimination. Multiply equation number 1 by 2. 2 into x, 2x, 2 2s are 4y, 2 1s are 2 is equals to 0. And now 2x plus y plus 7 is minus, this 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 is minus. Cancel 2x by 2x. Minus 4y minus y is minus 5y. Minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9 is equals to 0. I think something wrong. The answer is not matching from the answer of the book. I will check again. First, I want to check the question. Minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 5, 5 minus 2, 1, 1. So minus 2 plus 5 upon 5 plus 1. 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 upon 6 is 1 upon 2. No mistake. Then DC. Y minus 1 upon 1 minus 5 upon 1 minus x. No mistake. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2y. So x minus 2y. Oh, this is the mistake. This should be plus 1. Okay. So sometimes a little sign mistake can damage the whole question. Damage the whole question. So this is plus 1. This should be plus 1. And minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. So minus 5y, minus 5 shift other side, plus 5. 5 cancel by 5. The value of y is minus 1. And this is the correct value. Now put this value of y is equals to minus 1 in any one of the equation. I am putting it in equation number 1. X minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. X minus 2y is minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. X minus minus plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 0. X 2 plus 1 is 3 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 3. Hence the coordinates of the point D is minus 3 minus 1. This is our final answer. So little bit long but very easy. So this is the whole summary of the question, and you see a little mistake, just sign mistake, can change the whole answer. Okay, so be careful about the signs. This is question number 5. The midpoint of a line segment joining P minus 2 3 Q 4 minus 1 is M. So how to find the midpoint? You know, a very easy formula: x1 plus x2 upon y1 plus y2. Y2 is a minus, so it will be minus 1. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 cancel by 2, that is 1. So midpoint of the line segment PQ is M, which is 1. The point C has coordinates -1, -2. Show that CM is perpendicular to PQ. Very easy. First we have to find the gradient of PQ. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus minus plus x1. 2 to 2 to 2 to 2 to 2 to 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, minus 2 upon 3. Now we will find the gradient of subscript CM. C is -1, -2. I did a mistake in gradient. This is not the correct formula of gradient. The formula of gradient is x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 y2 upon 2. Sorry, this is the mistake. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 upon 2 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 upon 2 is 1. Now the gradient of CM is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus 1 is 2. What is need? Show that CM is perpendicular to PQ. If the line CM is perpendicular to PQ, therefore the gradient of PQ multiply by the gradient of CM should be equals to -1. What is the gradient of PQ? -2 upon 3. And the gradient of CM is 3 upon 2. 3 cancel by 3, 2 cancel by 2, -1. Yes, both are perpendicular. We have proved. I hope you completely understand question number 5. Come to question number 6. Question number 6 again is very easy question. A minus 2 2, B 3 minus 1, C 9 minus 4. Okay ji. A is minus 2 2, B is 3 minus 1 and C is 9 minus 4. Question is part A. Find the gradient of AB and the gradient of BC. Gradient of AB is -1 minus 2 upon 3 plus 2. 1 minus 1 minus 2 is -3. 3 plus 2 is 5. -3 upon 5. And the gradient of BC is y2 minus y1 minus minus plus upon x2 minus x1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3, 9 minus 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6, minus 3 upon 2. That's it. This is the answer of part A. Part B. Use your answer to part A to decide whether or not the points A, B and C are collinear. Students, if A, B, C are collinear. Collinear means lie in same line. Then gradient of AB should be equals to gradient of BC. If all the points are lie in the same line, or you can say if all the points are collinear, then the gradient should be same. Here the gradient of AB is minus 3 upon 5. Gradient of BC is minus 3 upon 2, which is not equals. Hence the answer is not collinear. This is the answer. Hope you understand. So student, this is our today's class where we did first 6 questions in this exercise. In next lecture we will do remaining questions of exercise 7.2. So if you satisfied my videos, like my videos, kindly share to all of your friends and kindly do subscribe my channel. And whenever you subscribe, please don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.